Who, me? What am I making? I'm making abs. Duh. Hi everybody, my name is Milla, bringing to you the Milla Method. For those of you joining me for the first time, welcome. This channel is about health, fitness, nutrition. I'm a personal trainer. I've been a trainer for a few years, and I'm currently in school to be a registered dietitian, so that makes me more than qualified to tell you a thing or two or three about these topics, right? So today's video, we're gonna talk about how to get abs. What does it actually mean when people say abs are made in the kitchen? They're not exactly made by the way I showed you in the beginning, but people just have it all misconstrued and they're confused. People think they don't have to eat anything and that they'll get abs. That is not the case. You're actually doing more harm than good when not eating enough food. I mean, starving yourself, in addition to being hangry, that's enough for me to not want to do it. You know, you can put your body in starvation mode, which causes you to actually hold on to fat. In order to reduce fat anywhere in your body, whether it be your stomach, your arms, your double chin, I don't know, what have you, you want to be in a caloric deficit. You're like, huh? What's that? No. Caloric deficit. Let's break down the word. Caloric meaning calories, and deficit, you want to be in the negative some way, somehow, right? So you basically want to burn more calories than you're consuming, right? You want to eat less than what you're burning, okay? Are you picking up what I'm dropping? Are you scooping what I'm pooping? Alrighty. You cannot outwork a bad diet. You cannot outwork a bad diet. I wish I knew how to say that in Spanish and French because I would say it like that too. No, but you can't outwork a bad diet. You can't eat mad junk food and then think you can go run it off and get abs. It doesn't work like that. If it does work like that, can I borrow your jeans real quick? Because I'm not that lucky. What we do, we consume way too much calories with like the added sugars, the added fats and all that, like the fried foods, the saucy foods, the processed foods, the junk foods, like that's all, they all are so calorically dense. They all have so much calories, and we're eating too much of that instead of like whole grains, plant based or minimally processed foods. We're doing less of that and more of the junk. You want to have it the other way around. So this video is about how to get abs and at-home ab workout. So let's get it done. Thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you learned something. That's the whole point. Feel free to leave any questions, comments, or concerns in the comment section below. If you haven't done so, like, subscribe, share with a friend. Help you, help me, help me, help me, help you. Yeah, and thanks for joining Milla Method. See you all next time.